Today in this video, I will show you how you can enable one of the best useful feature upcoming Android 11 and iOS 13 on off your any smartphone, which is double tap gesture. If I just double tap on the back of my phone, it will take a screenshot like this, and it will also launch my camera and more details. So let's start the video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Let me show you how you can download on your any Android device. Link in the video description line below. Go there and download this. After installing the app and open it, then tap on accessibility service and turn on tap permission so that it will work fine on your device. Then you should go to Justice and select device model. It will select Pixel 2 XL by default. It will work fine, you don't have to do anything. But in case if you facing any issue or if the app do not work properly, I suggest you can change the device model. Next you have to go to action and which actually you want to double tap on your back your smartphone. You can set in the launch your Google Assistant and take a screenshot. And if you select add action, then it will show you more options like you can launch your flashlight, and you also add your favorite application, like if you double tap it will open YouTube. And you also customize on yourself what you want to double tap to open. Okay, this is all about double tap gesture. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.